Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first question that you need to ask yourself, so let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question one becomes, where's the price at relative to that green line, which represents 9,000? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above 9,000, that's a good sign. I mean, there's still plenty of work that would need to be done, but that would imply that at least the price has continued to essentially make progress by just staying up above this area right around here. So even if it was at 9,000, I mean, that's still, like I said, up above this general area right there, which is where you want to see it maintain. So you definitely want to see it maintain that 9,000. So like I said, even if you're saying it's at 9,001, that's still the price maintaining, the bounce from earlier on in the weekend. And that's a good little sign. Now in the event you're saying, well, Clay, no, actually the price is down below 9,000. The next level of support you would want to ask yourself at that point would be down here, which is at this green line at 87.50. If somehow you're answering the question that the price is also down below 87.50, well, at that point, that would just be telling you that the current set of circumstances are very, very bearish, because that would imply that not only has this bounce right here totally failed, but it's failed and then gone all the way back down to break through those new lows and even further yet. I'd be pretty surprised if you're answering the question in that way, but like I said, 87.50 is going to be that level where, yeah, you certainly would want to see it hold in the event the price drops below that 9,000 mark. Now, on the flip side, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still above 9,000. The next question you're going to want to ask yourself is just take a little inventory check of where the price is relative to that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50 period moving average. So just to keep the numbers easy, let's just call it 92.50. So if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is above 9,000 and 92.50, that would imply that that moving average has been broken. Again, yeah, still a whole lot more work would need to be done, but that would certainly be a good bullish step in the right direction. So keep your eye on those levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant until the next time I'm back to update it. So let's see how the next several hours play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.